Hi and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. I am here to show you a package that PANALISA sent me. She is on AliExpress and they have the most incredible die cuts, paper, stamps, and she asked if I would want to show some of her products in my video. Well, of course I said yes. So she sent me a few items. Look at this. Wow. I am overwhelmed, shocked, so thankful. So I will show you some of the, or all of them right now, everything she sent. I've started doing some of the die cuts, and as I do them, I will show you more. So this is one. It is of a mushroom with a little gnome. And I have not die cut this one yet. And this one is amazing. It's a zipper with all the little attachments. So once I get more die cut, I will show you. And this is a little oven mitt. But I know there's some kind of little guy in the oven mitt right here. So I will show you that once I've die cut that. Then she sent me this little honey jar. And then here is a little panda bear. And here is a little bee. So I have die cut them. And I can show you what they look like. This is the little panda bear. And I've die cut him twice. And this is the little honey pot. And here is the little bee. But I will be doing individual projects with them. And if you're looking for what her store looks like, it looks like this. It's got like a cat. It's PANALISA Crafts, like this. Yeah, so go check her out. She has amazing things. And then there is this one. It is I believe it's a pocket. And then this is to embellish the pocket, all these little things there. So I'll be doing those. And then I couldn't resist. These are little donuts. And I could not resist doing them first. So I did them. And I put them on the back here. Some of them. I hope you can see them. They are so cute, but I'll be doing some more, and I'll do some projects with them. It even has the little sprinkles to go on there, so cute. And those are the die cuts. And then she also sent me this little thank you bag here, like these little goodies in here. How sweet. And it comes with a little sticky note. It has a little, it's a heart. It says, "Thank you so much for your support to our new store. Your positive comments will be highly appreciated. Sincerely wish you happy and healthy. Wish you happy and healthy." PANALISA store. So very cute. So there's these little papers she sent me. And here's some little hearts. Some more little papers. Little postcard. Some more little papers here. Things to do. Little list. I think there's two. No, yes. Oh, that's nice thick paper. Okay, so that is that. Now, let me get into the stamps. So this is a stamp. And I'll be stamping those out for you. I know you can't really see. What if I go like that? Is that better? Anyway, that's a stamp. And I will be stamping them out for you yet. Look at this one. Oh, I love these diamond shapes. Oh my gosh. I love it. Love it. This is going to be awesome. And they're huge. This is like a... This is a 5.5 by 5.5, and so is this one. So it's huge. And then this one has all these vintage ones on it. I love it. Oh my goodness, this is right up my alley. And then this is another huge one. This is all in one. It's got all this printing in the back. And this one is, at its longest point, it is 7.5 inches. So it'll do a whole page by 5.5. It is fantastic. I love this. Love it, love it. So those are the stamps. Did I have any more stamps? Then she sent me these paper stacks. And these I'll take out of here, which I should have done. But I didn't, of course. So here's the first one. It's wooden texture, 6x6, 12 different designs, two sheets each. So there is that one, that one. So there's 2 sheets each. So I'll just kind of do 2 and 2. That one, look at that. Oh, I love these. I love them, love them. That design. Oh, look at the green. Wow. Let me see if I put my light towards it now. See that better? Oh, this has got to be. Okay, not this one. Yes, this one. This is good too, but wait till you see this one. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm in love. This one too. Oh, these blues are amazing. Oh, I love it. Amazing, amazing. Okay, so that's the wood patterns, textures. Now I'll do the plaid autumn. I just love all of these. They're gorgeous, gorgeous. Thank you, PANALISA. And these are all the ones you can see on here. So there's that one. These are like a pink. Oh, these are perfect for autumn. Look at that. Perfect, perfect. Even for Christmas. Beautiful. Gorgeous colors. Oh, I love this color. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. Oh, I usually don't like yellow, but I love that. Gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. And they are quite thick cardstock. Like, they're not just the paper kind. Okay, so there's that one. And then here is a Christmas one. And I love this one. Look at this. Oh, it's amazing. Okay, so it has these snowflakes. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, these poinsettias. And I'm doing the 360 for Christmas, so I'll be using these all year. Look at those. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh, and you know I'm going to love this one. It's got the birds. Look at that. Oh. And this one. Oh my goodness, beautiful. It's got the cardinal in the back, right up there. Christ the Lord has risen. Excuse me. Oh, look at these kind of parts here. I love it. These deers in the blue background. Oh, gorgeous. I can't wait to start playing with these. So yes, you'll be seeing a lot of these because there was 8 paper packs that she sent me. Let's see, is there another Christmas one? There's this one, Wonderland. I don't think it's a Christmas one. Or it could be. Come on, come on. These backgrounds. This is perfect for backgrounds. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh, these are gorgeous. Beautiful. Go check out her store, guys. You will not be sorry. These are so reasonably priced. Look at these cut aparts. Oh my goodness. There's a map. Oh, they're gorgeous. Beautiful. Oh, I love these birds. Birds and flowers and vintage is my thing. And this store has it, that's for sure. Okay, got a couple more. This is truly vintage. Oof, I love it. There's that one. Typewriter print, or keys, I mean. Okay, hands. Look at that. Grungy. I love it. Oh, this is going to be beautiful for vintage. Oh, look at that. Love it. Okay. Okay, move on, Tina. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, look at this one. The birds. Look at that owl. Oh my. It's beautiful. And come on, come on. There's that one. And this one. This one you could even cut apart too. Little bird and a horse. Oh, gorgeous. I could just sit here and look at them all day. Then there's 3 more. Or 3 more with this one. This one is called Perennials. And it's got that red one. Oh my goodness, look at that one. Pumpkins and mushrooms. There is just, wow. Beautiful. That reminds me of Miss Sheila. Gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Apples and cherries. Or maybe it's all cherries. Oh, beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful. Look at this one. I love it. So that one's Perennials. The next one I have is, what is it called? I don't know. Illustrations. Anyway, we'll just move right along here. I cannot see a title. I think it's like plants. Yeah, lots of plants. Look at that. So nice. Oh, look at this one. It looks like it's collaged already. Gorgeous. Okay, come on, fingers. Work, work. So there's that one. These red ones. One more. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Cut aparts. Oh, look at her. Fairies. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Himalayan plants. Very nice. Oh, these are gorgeous. I will link all of these down below, each one of them, so you can go check them out. And yeah, make sure you tell her that I sent ya. So this one is Fairies. So beautiful. I just want to look at it. There's those. Ooh, here's another one of those collaged ones. Look at how bright these colors are. This would make a beautiful fairy journal. Oh, and this one is this way. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. I'm just in awe. Butterflies. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, I am in love with these. Oh my goodness, they're beautiful. So that was the fairy one. So you will be seeing me do lots of crafts with these. And remember, go check out PANALISA. I will link everything down below. And thank you so much for sending these, PANALISA. I really, really appreciate it. And I hope you guys like it too. Remember, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Likes, thumbs up are always appreciated. God bless you all, and we'll see you soon. Bye!